Hello friends, I'm Miss Audra, and today we're going to the beach. So think about all the sounds you might hear at the beach. The waves crashing on shore, children playing, a bit of sand like kind of crunching under your feet, the sound of a seagull, all kinds of different sounds you might hear at the beach. So while we think about that, we're going to take our breaths together. Big inhale. And we're going to hold and then make the sound of the shore. And a breath in and hold and then make the sound of the shore. Nice. So think about all those sounds, right? The waves crashing, the seagulls, people having fun, people laughing, walking together, playing or splashing, all the different sounds that you might hear, even music in the background. So on the count of 3, we're going to all make our sound. And don't forget to make a movement with your arm or your hand. And if you have the space, use your whole body, right? You could be playing volleyball, whatever it is for you. And on the count of 3, let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it going, keep it going. See if you can hear what other people are sounding like and looking like. And I'll make my own sound. All right, on the count of 3, we're gonna pause. 1, 2, 3. Ugh, nice. Wow, it was so wonderful to create a soundscape together of playing and having fun at the beach. So let's say goodbye, as we always do, with one breath in. Here we go. And hold and blow it out any way you want today. All right, see you next time.